Hi guys, you welcome back to the channel. So guys, today's video we are going to be cutting and stitching a trouser left front pocket. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So right here, we are going to make a waist of 30. So if you can see here, the flap is 2.5. So and the width is also 9 inches. So let's mark this, or let's first cut this one, the pocket, the one we are going to, the fabric that we are going to use for the pocket. So let's first cut it. So we are going to cut the first the first one. So this is the left front pocket. That's one we are going to be doing right now. So what we are going to do is this fabric is 12 inches width, and the length is also 12 inches. The length is also 12 inches, you understand? So what we are going to do is to fold it to two. Fold it into two. We have joined the fabric, that's why it's looking this way, you understand? We have joined it, and the fabric too is also stretched, you understand? So what we are going to do is to what, cut it slightly. Like, let me mark it so that you see what I'm talking about. Let's say like we are cutting it from here to this side, understand? So watch it so you able to see how I am cutting it. So let's get it done right now. So guys, this is exactly how to cut it. So if you open it, it's gonna be looking like this. Yeah, it's actually gonna be looking like this. So we are going to be stitching it. So we should put this one on the table like this. We should be putting this one on the table like this, and to put this is the inside, the where it's gonna go inside. So we should put this one on it like this, you understand? On it like this. This where it's gonna go inside to come up, you understand? So we are going to measure 5.5 inches. We are going to measure 5.5 inches, and to sign it 5.5 inches right here. 5.5 inches. So we have measured the 5.5 inches. So we are going to cut it with the scissors, so that we're able to start stitching it. So let's cut it this way. So guys, let's put it so guys, we have cut it, you understand? We have cut it. So we are going to fold this one inside, understand? We are going to fold this one inside and to stitch from the down to the top part, understand? To stitch from the down part to the top part. So let's get it done now. Let's get it done right here. So we are stitching. So guys, we are stitching it to the top part. We are stitching it to the top part. We are stitching it to the top part. So guys, we are stitching it to the top part. We have done stitching it, you understand? So what we are gonna do right now is to open this one. To open this one like this, and to fold this part inside. So we are gonna fold this part inside and to stitch the down part too. So watch it carefully. So we are stitching to the down part. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch it. This is exactly how to stitch it. This is exactly how to stitch this part. This is exactly how to stitch this part. So let's move right to the next part. So guys, we are going to put this one on this like this. Put this one on it like this, you understand? So we are going to measure 2 inches. We are going to measure 2 inches, guys. we are going to measure 2 inches. So we have measured 2 inches right from here to the this part. So we are gonna stitch it to the what, stitch it from here where we have started to that part, you understand. We are stitching it from there to this part, from there to this part, guys. We are stitching it from there to this part. So this is how we are stitching it. This is exactly how we are stitching this part too. So right here, over here, you are going to put it on the table like this, you understand. So we are going to turn it like this ways. We are going to turn it like this ways. We are going to be turning it like this ways, and to cut this part. Hope you are watching it carefully so that we are able to what, stitch the pocket. So we are cutting that part. So after we cutting it, we are gonna take open this one and turn it like this, and turn it to make it come to meet together to form like this, and to stitch it to the end, and to stitch it to the end. So let's get it done, and to stitch it to the end. So we are stitching it to this end. So guys, we are stitching it to the very end. So guys, this is how we stitch it too. This is exactly how we stitch this part too. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch this part too. So we are gonna cut the essence. We are not cutting it all, but we are leaving some small space for what, the knitting. The Wallachia our machine to what, knit it. So guys, this is exactly how to make this part too. So we are gonna cut the thread like this, and to put the pocket inside like this, and to put the pocket inside. So you are seeing my hands is inside. So we have made the left pocket, understand. So guys, this is the left pocket for you. So we are gonna stitch this part. So we finish this front left pocket. So that is the front left pocket for you guys. So if you want to learn, this is how to learn it. It's so simple, it's so easy and simple. So that is how you can also learn how to stitch a left front pocket, a left front pocket. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch it. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch it. This is exactly how to stitch the left front pocket. This is exactly how to stitch the left front pocket. So if you put your hands inside, you're going to be able to put your hands inside. So that's the front left pocket for you. So subscribe for the best stars.